Welcome to Max's Magic World!
Hey!
Hi, Monster Truck! Don't worry, I'll make you shiny again. Wow! Look! You're getting super clean! Oops! This tire is flat. Let's put on a brand new one. Yay! Your new super tire is ready. Let's make sure it's nice and tight. Yay! Your new tire is perfect! Now let's check your engine. Aha! I found the problem. Don't worry, I'll fix it. All done. Let's see if it starts now.
Beep!
Your engine is super healthy now. You're all fixed! Woohoo! Okay, Mr. Monster Truck. Let's see if everything works perfectly.
I'm ready, Max.
Let's test your new tire and engine. Drive slowly. Woohoo!
Everything feels perfect. Thank you, Max. Mechanic.
You're welcome. Have fun and drive safely. Bye, friends. See you in our next adventure.
Beep, beep.
Bye, friends.